So Shiba Inu coin has seen a massive burn rate. Now we usually have burn rates that are within the 1000 or 2000 range, but as you can see from here, Shiba Inu's burn rate surges 13,000 amid whales moving 11 trillion SHIB. Now we are going to be talking about the burn rate in this article first, and then we are also going to be talking about some good news that Robinhood has announced, but this will be important for the likes of Shiba Inu holders. And of course we will be looking at the price action today for November the 9th. So usually when it comes to the burns, we will have fluctuating amounts. Some days we may only have a burn of 1 million or 2 million tokens, whereas other days we will have burns where it could easily be 50 million or 100 million tokens that are burned, and that's when you know that the whales are at play and they are providing with these burns. So you'll see here it says, according to Whale Alert, they managed to have a look at the whale transactions, and this was recently transferred over 10 trillion tokens on November the 7th. And again, when we have these burn rates, it does coincide with bringing the price up as well, because you have the reduction in the coin supply. And with the price action, we have been seeing it go up quite a bit as well. According to the data by SHIB Burn, which is a website that posts these burns, 173 million SHIB tokens have been burned over the past 24 hours. The SHIB burn rate therefore witnessed a phenomenal surge and was up by 12,840%. So again, because the burn rate for one day was 173 million and the day before was probably 2 million, that is essentially what causes this massive burn rate. Now, is the 173 million a large amount? Yes, of course it is, but is it enough in order to cause a parabolic run for Shiba Inu token? We definitely need to see more of a burn rate, and that needs to be in the range of 500 million to roughly about a trillion to see any more momentum going up. And the token itself did manage to surge, and it was up by nearly 4% over the past 24 hours, reaching 0.08367. So if you remember, Shiba Inu coin was struggling to even pass that 0.08 mark, but it seems like as if we've been able to blow past it quite a bit. Then you can see here that we've had 2.4 trillion SHIB which were transferred, and for today we had a whopping 4.4 trillion SHIB which were transferred as well. So now let's have a look at Robinhood's plans and what actions will make it positive for Shiba Inu coin, but also the cryptocurrency market as well. It says here that Robinhood takes Bitcoin, Shiba Inu to the EU and UK. If you don't already know, the Robinhood platform is only compatible with the US, I believe. It's not in the UK or in the European Union, but Robinhood have announced that they're going to be expanding its crypto offerings to the EU and United Kingdom. And so you can see a tweet from Santiment, and basically by doing this expansion, it means that it's going to increase exposure to new traders and investors. You will easily be able to get another couple of million traders into the crypto market and that are willing to actually invest as well. And so the statement from Robinhood, they actually confirmed its expansion plans in its third quarter earnings report released on Tuesday. The firm said it will rely on its team to launch the brokerage outfit in the UK, and it plans to hire new staff to bolster the move as well. In terms of the timeline for when this will be happening, we don't currently have a date for when it will be coming out, but I am expecting that we are only in the beginning stages and it may take a couple of months or maybe even a year to fully roll it out. Now let's have a look at the price action today. As you can see, we are currently at 0.08582. Shiba Inu coin is in the green today and we are up by 4% on the one-day chart. For the volume, we are doing really well. We are up by 38.49% and we are trading at 206.83 million. As you can see on the 7-day chart, we are up by 9%, and Shiba Inu coin has had a massive W from before, where we were struggling to even break out at that 0.8 level, where we had that resistance at the 8.82, and then we came back down and pulled back. But we have had a few rallies and Shiba Inu has been staying strong. We currently have a new short-term all-time high at this 0.0861 mark. Earlier on in the morning, we reached 0.0868, and one of the reasons as to why this is because we have seen a 3.68% increase over the last day. And look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has been running so far. It was trading at 35.2k, but we managed to surpass that level, and it's actually on a bull run right now. It is currently trading at 37.5%. On the 24-hour chart, it is up by 6%. So a lot of people will be anticipating as to whether Bitcoin will reach that all-important $40,000 price target, and so it is all looking bullish from here, and Shiba Inu coin is following along with Bitcoin as well. Guys, if you want daily Shiba Inu coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.